Hi viewers, today I'll show you how to make grilled tuna with steamed vegetables and sweet potato mash. So main ingredients, I've taken tuna, 4 steaks, smaller one, and black pepper, salt, mustard sauce and lemon juice. This is for tuna marination. And for that, and after that sweet potato mash, we are using little bit butter, little bit garlic and little bit of chopped onion for sweet potato mash. And steamed vegetables, we are using broccoli, carrot and two type of beans we have, and green peas. This is the main ingredients of this dish. Tuna marination, I'm taking 1 teaspoon of lemon, a bit of black pepper and bit of salt and a little bit of mustard paste. You need to mix well and we'll keep it aside. Meanwhile, we will make it sweet potato mash and steamed vegetables. Have kept the for two veggies for boiling point. To for cook, one is for sweet potato, one is the steamed vegetables. Once boiling point has come, we need to add the sweet potato. It will take only 5 minutes to cook this, and meanwhile we can get the vegetables also steam. So now I can sweet potato always cooked. The steamed vegetables, we need to add a bit of salt. Now steamed vegetables is ready. So I'm taking in a separate bowl. Switching off the flame as well. We kept a preheated tawa. So we'll adding oil in this. Temperature is more now. We are not adding in the fish. Adding fish steaks.
Audio Jungle.
You need to stir it in all the sides.
Audio Jungle.
Now fish is cooked. Now we'll do the plating. We'll do the sweet potato mash, then we'll do the plating. Now fish is ready. Meanwhile, we'll make the sweet potato mash and lemon butter sauces. I'm making lemon butter sauce. For that, I'm adding 4-5 scoops of lemon butter on this. Once butter is melted, then we'll add a bit of lemon juice and bit of little salt, little black pepper, so that it will give you the seasoning in this. We'll adding a bit of salt in this, a bit of black pepper, separate bowl. Same bowl, I'm making sweet potato mash. Already butter is there. I'm adding bit of 1 cube of butter. Chop garlic in this. And 2 tablespoons of onions. Chopped onions. Now onion become a transparent color. We'll adding potato mash in this. We're adding very little black pepper, salt in this. Plating on using of the plate.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Adding on the top lemon butter sauce.
Audio Jungle.
I'm adding a little bit paprika in this to add the color in this plate.
Audio Jungle.
Testing it.
Audio Jungle.
A little bit of black pepper.
Audio Jungle.
Now everything is ready. Now grilled tuna with the steamed vegetables and sweet potato mash along with that lemon butter sauce.